cluster and the two sensors, the one on the transmission and the one on the wheel, and still not working.
What size engine do you have?
5.3. It's four-wheel drive.
And have you checked for codes in the computer?
The only thing on there, but the ABS light is also lit.
Okay. So you said you replaced the vehicle speed sensor, is that right?
Yes. The one on the train and the one down on the passenger side front wheel.
So it looks like the wiring going to or from this vehicle speed sensor is common to go bad, causing this problem. This is what it says. It says monitor the vehicle speed sensor data in the Powertrain Control Module. If it shows 0 while driving, test the AC output voltage at the vehicle speed sensor on the transfer case with it disconnected. Reconnect the sensor and retest at the PCM. Test between the purple and white wire in terminal 21 and the light green and black wire in terminal 20 in the red connector. The value should be the same as it was at the sensor. If not, replace the two VSS wires. So that's a possibility right there. You could have a wiring issue to or from that vehicle speed sensor, which looks like it's pretty common here on my end.
I was just wondering, I replaced, like I said, the whole cluster, and there was a couple of funky looking wires, which I come back a little bit and replaced that part, but than that, I haven't messed with the wiring.
Okay.
Check the wiring.
Yeah, did your scan tool read live data?
No.
Okay. Because you should be able to read vehicle speed as you're driving down the road, but you're going to have to get a different scan tool that has the capability to do that.
Oh, right. Yeah, I've been able to do that on my phone.
Okay. Let me ask you a silly question. Did you able to check for codes in the ABS module? Okay.
But I read somewhere where it said it would go out if my speedometer was working or sensor or whatever.
Yeah, possible. I was just curious because the ABS light's on, and we don't even know if there's codes. We haven't even checked for codes in the ABS computer, have we?
No.
Yeah.
I should do that?
I would, yeah.
Okay. Any other recommendations?
Well, what you can do is you can get a compatible scan tool and run these tests, check the wires of the vehicle speed sensor, to or from that sensor, and you can document all the results and then just reply back to me online, and we can continue as needed if something comes up. But you might find that the wires going to this vehicle speed sensor are basically broken, which will cause this problem. That's possible.
Okay, attempt to do that here in just a little bit then, and I can get back to you just online?
Yes, sir. Yeah, you got to do is just reply back to our chat, and it'll get routed right to me, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can.
Oh, okay. Appreciate it
Mm-hmm.
much. Let me try that, and I'll get back to you.
Okay. It's like a plan, my friend. Good luck.
All right. Thank you very much.
All right. You bet. You're welcome. Bye-bye.